Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to delete alarms on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the home page of your phone and click on clock icon. Here I have 3 alarms. If you would like to delete one of the alarms here or entire alarms, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is click on this 3 vertical dots and click on edit, and here select alarm. Okay, here I have selected all alarms to be deleted and click on delete button. Okay, see here, you can delete to one by one only. Okay, if you select two 3 more, if you select entire alarms, it will not be deleted. So I have deleted 2 alarms, and for this I go to edit, but one alarm will be permanently there and it should be turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily delete alarms on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.